Today, what we're going to show you how to do is take a print, a digital print. I did this on my iColor 550, my white toner printer. I'm going to show you how to take this and some vinyl and make an oversized print. This is good for bigger shirts, and you want to charge more money. Some people just want their prints on their shirts oversized, but we're going to show you how to use the mixed media without using all your iColor paper. It gets expensive, but we're going to show you how to use the mixed media to make an oversized print. So stay with us. What you're going to need, again, of course, is the iColor print, a digital print. You can order them from us if you need them. We do print digital prints for people, and you're going to need vinyl. So what we're going to do first is we're going to weed this vinyl, and then we're going to show you how to put it together to create an oversized print. So now that I got everything weeded out, this shirt has a left chest and a back. So I got everything weeded out, and next I'm going to show you how to lay it out so it gives you the looks like it's oversized print. So now we're going to lay it out just like we would. You thread your shirt, and you pull it back however far you want to start down. And you just lay out your lay everything out. Make sure it's even. Grab your iColor, grab your digital print there. And a lot of this stuff, I don't even use the level or the guides anymore. I could just eye it pretty good. And there. Now this is the whole print. Now what I do is I got my heat press set to 310 because the digital print needs to be at 310. Now I know, and it's set for 30 seconds. It's not going to hurt the vinyl to leave it on here for 30 seconds or whatever with the digital print. But I do that because I only want to hit it one time. You can lay this out and do it however you want to, but I only want to hit it one time. And I tape the digital print. I tape it down. The vinyl won't move because the vinyl kind of keeps a little grip on the shirt, but this digital print is smooth. It'll slide around. So now what I'm going to do is just cover it with my Teflon sheet, and I'm going to press for 30 seconds. Now, while this is finishing up, usually, I don't know if you could tell with the digital print, I did 2 on 1 sheet to save paper. A lot of times people will do one on a sheet so they don't waste paper. I did 2 on a sheet so it saves paper. And as you can see, everything is there. Everything is in place. I can pull the carrier from the vinyl right away. But the digital print, it has to completely cool. It has to completely cool. But as you can see, you can get an idea of how big this print is on the back of the shirt. And oversized prints, you could charge an extra $5 or $7 just to, make some oversized prints. There's some good money in this. This shirt, the customer, I'm charging $30 for this shirt. And it's this print on the back and just a left chest on the front. $30. So you can do the math on what the shirt costs, what the vinyl costs. This digital print, if you print it yourself, it's probably about 50 cents worth of toner. This is probably about a 75 cent worth of vinyl and whatever the cost of the t-shirt is. So you can see the profits in this. These usually oversized prints go on larger shirts, 3X, 4X, 5X shirts, because to do a regular, maybe 8.5 by 11 or whatever, it just, on a big 5X shirt, it look like a pocket patch. It just don't look right. So we charge extra to do these oversized prints. There's good money in it. And nowadays, a lot of young people, they want their stuff big and able to be seen. So what we're going to do next is we're going to let this cool down. But while it's cooling, I'm going to flip this shirt over. I'm going to take it off and flip it over. And I'm going to do the left chest. While this thing is cooling, like I said, thread it on, on your platen. Make sure it's straight. Knock the wrinkles out. And grab this left chest design. I'm just gonna eye it. I'm gonna eye it where it probably would be. I don't necessarily have to cover the vinyl with a Teflon sheet, but I do it anyway. And I'm not even going to use my timer. I'm just going to let it sit on here for like 8 seconds. Most of the time, vinyl can be pressed at 8 to 10 seconds. So in my head, I'm counting, giving it 8 to 10 seconds. And the left chest is done. And when this completely cools, I'm going to come back and show you guys what I do with the digital prints, and then we'll be finished. All right, now this has cooled for a couple of minutes. I take it from the corner and I roll it back. And I just roll it with my hands this way, just to give it a smooth peel. Cover up with the Teflon sheet, and I press again for like 10 seconds for washability purposes. And again, this helps it wash better. It gives it a longer last because toner is funny. And if your customers ask you, how do you wash it? Inside out, cold water, hang dry. That's how I suggest my customers to wash these thingies. And then you just peel. And there you have it. Oversized print, mixed media. This was done with the iColor 550, white toner printer, whatever you got, it don't matter. And this is just regular white vinyl. And we get our vinyl from Stalls. So this is really, really good. It doesn't have a rough feel at all. This thing feels super soft to the touch. So hope this helps somebody. If you guys got any questions, leave them in the comment section. Make sure you subscribe, like, click that bell. The more subscribes and likes we get, the more videos we'll do, the more tutorials we'll do. And we do these so we can help you keep and make more money. Thanks again for watching. Have a blessed day.